everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. If you are new here, hi, my name is Leanne. Thank you so much for stopping by, checking me out. If you like me, maybe you'll subscribe and maybe hit the notification bell and maybe give a thumbs up. And if you do that, you can wait to the end. You don't have to rush now. It's okay. I trust you. It would mean the absolute world to me. So I am on a no buy, a serious no buy. I'm kind of only buying, like, you know, things that I kind of need, you know, stuff like that. I mean, no one ever really needs makeup, but you know where I'm taking that. But it is my birthday month, and I don't do anything for my birthday, so I said, you know what, I'm going to allow myself to buy myself, a little present. Now, I got an email from Ofra, and they said that if you spend, I think it was like 50 or 60, I forget what the amount that you had to spend and everything. If you spend a certain amount of money, you got a free mystery bag, which I forget. If you purchased the bag, it was like $20, but had like a $100 value or something like that. Well, I wasn't going to spend that much, but I said, you know, I'm just going to purchase the mystery bag. And, you know, that was what I was going to do, and that was going to be my present. So that is what I did. And so I spent the $20. I had to pay like $3 for shipping, which wasn't bad at all. And so I just got it in the mail. And this is the bag. I did get a Ofra Mystery Bag maybe about 6 months ago as well, when they first rebranded. And this is the same bag, and I think it's adorable. I absolutely love this bag because this is sparkly, but it's not. It's contained sparkly. It doesn't come off. And this is like a fabric type, like a waterproof fabric type of thing. Here, like, listen. And it's just cute and adorable. And then I got this card that says, you make us glow. It says, we hope you enjoy your glam as much as we enjoyed making it for you. Let us know what you think or send some pictures. And you can do that. So right in back of that, I see an Ofra Pro palette thing here. And there are shadows in it. There's shadows in this. This alone is worth a lot. And look at the shadows I got. And they're magnetic. And oh my goodness, this is absolutely stunning. Oh my goodness, they're so soft. I have swatches on my hand from my other video, but look at that. I got some mattes. This is essentially, I could do a total look with this. Oh my goodness, look at that bronzy. This is, I'm like shocked. This is absolutely freaking amazing. That's the first thing from my mystery bag. That thing alone is worth way more than the $20. Now let's get into this. The first thing I'm pulling out here is, ooh, and it's an expanding makeup sponge. I've never tried Ofra makeup sponges, have you guys? It's a really pretty color. It's firm, but not too firm. I just like to smell them. Sometimes they smell like rubbery. This will be cool. You can never go wrong with another beauty sponge, and I will be very excited to try that. They call it a perfecting puff. That's cute. Let's see. There's a bunch of things in here, guys. The next thing I'm pulling out is, gotta put my glasses on. This is clear. I don't know what it is, guys. Is this lip balm? This has to be lip balm. Oh yeah, it's got that lip balm feeling. Okay. It's a clear lip balm. Well, that's cool. We can always use a clear lip balm. I hope it's a lip balm, because it doesn't say anywhere on here. On the back it says manufactured, but it says clear. I'm thinking that's a lip balm. I think. But I like it. It's cool. The next thing I'm pulling out is, ooh, how pretty. Now these are in all of the old packaging, which I don't care. This is called California Dream. It is the Blush Bronzer Trio. Ooh. Now these can sometimes be a little tricky to use, and oh look, it's got a mirror. These can sometimes be tricky to use because of having to get your brush in like a certain spot and everything. But that is absolutely gorgeous. The blush is not coming across on camera. I have to get better lights eventually. But here's the highlighter. There's a matte bronzer and kind of a little bit of a shimmery pinky blush. That is super cool. Yay. There's a few things left, guys. Oh, I love Ofra lipsticks, and we got a full size Ofra lipstick. Oh, it's kind of open. What does that mean? It wasn't shut all the way, guys. It was like this. This is really pretty. Maybe just kind of open. I don't know, but I don't know because see how it's separated? But that is gorgeous. I'm just always hesitant to try things when I think they might be open. I don't know. I will think about it, but that is such a beautiful color. I wish I had that purple color when I did my collab with Danielle. This one is in the color Fantasia. Next up we got a turquoise eyeliner. I think I got this one in my last bag. But look at how gorgeous that eyeliner is. They're really nice because they're really soft. This is super cool. I'm so happy to have that. And the last thing in here is another liquid lipstick. And this one is in the color Atlantis. I happen to like sparkly lipsticks. See, now this one's sealed tight. And see how it's not separated? So I don't know. I have to find out about that. Look how beautiful that is. It's shifty. Terrible swatch, Leanne. Terrible swatch. What's wrong with you? But wow, I am so super impressed. I love getting mystery bags because they're just like the subscription boxes. You never know what you're going to get, and they're super cool. And that's my birthday present. And honestly, I'm very happy with it. And I think it was money well spent. And I think it's fabulous. Let me know if you think it's fabulous. I don't know if they're still available. If they are, I will of course link it below for you guys. But I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having an amazing day. I hope you are safe and warm. And I hope you're having an amazing week. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye, everybody.